Hello and welcome to the project demo explanation. In this video, I have explained about the project QKart. QKart is an e-commerce platform. It offers diverse product selections for the online shoppers. So in order to show how the QKart shopping interface looks like, and this is the example and it is a product page. And if you want to navigate to the QKart website, you can utilize the QKart application URL and one can see how the dashboard looks like or the home page will look like. Here one can see the option of login as well as register, and he can go ahead and do the login or register whatever he wants to do, and browse the project products that he needs and add the product to the cart. Then they perform the checkout. Then once the payment is done, order will be ordered successfully. So this is the brief overview of the QKart application. And in this project, what we have done is we have automated test cases with Selenium Java, and we have used the implicit and explicit weights whenever required in order to avoid the synchronization issues. And we have also used the dynamic exports to improve our test cases instead of the static exports. And we have migrated all the test cases to the TestNG for a better for a better performance and executable it. Then we have also used the data driven testing using Apache POI to in order to pass the data from the Excel sheet. So as you can see, these are the some of the images of the QCart application, and this is also the product page. And this is the screenshot of products when added to the cart. Then as I said, we have also used the modularization of the test code to avoid the code duplication as well as better readability and maintainability. And we have automated total 11 number of manual test cases into automation, and by this we have saved a lot of manual execution time by automating the test cases. And we can use this whenever the regression for a regression purpose, or whenever we want to check the functionality of the QCart application. And we, as I said earlier, we have used the TestNG features like grouping, prioritizing, and parameterizing of the test to make our TestNG framework or testing framework much robust and for a better execution. And we have created some groups as sanity and regression test groups are created, and we can utilize the XML file to run the specific sanity groups or regression test groups. And we have placed a specific number of test cases under sanity as well as under regression. And we have used the test ng listeners to in order to take screenshot and different events. That means that we have configured the test cases in such a way that it will take the screenshot on starting of every test cases, on the event of a success of a test case, on the event of a failure of a test cases. And once the test cases are executed, one can see the report like this. And we have total number of 11 test cases, duration that it will take to run each second, each test case, then the result whether it's a passed or failure. So in order to show how this project has been implemented in IDE, so I'll just walk through how the project structure looks like in online IDE. So yeah, in this workspace you can see this is the project QCart, and this is the project structure. Under app, under SRC, under test, you can see the code present for the this project. And in this Java folder, I have created 5 pages for the 5 modules that have been identified for the QCart application. For search, login, home, checkout, home, these are the 5 pages have been identified, and related code has been added here. And we have added the screenshot code in the test listener class. It will take the screenshot on start of a test case, on success of a test case, and as well as on a failure of a test case. And under QCard test Java, we have added the actual code for the 11 test cases. And as you can see, we have used the test annotation, and we have also added some description to that particular test cases, and we have assigned the priority, and we have classified into groups. Like this you can find it for 11 test cases. And we have utilized the testng.xml to run the test cases. So the groups Here the groups are in both the regression as well as sanity groups are included, and we have also used the parameterization of a test parameterization of data, that is using parameters. We will send the data directly from the XML TestNG XML instead of sending data from the method. And for the test data, we have also used the Apache.POI, and for the data driven testing, and you can see the data set .xlx. From this we are passing the data, and it will execute three number of how many number of rows are there. It will execute the same test case that many number of times. Yeah, like this we have implemented the QKart application uh, as a project. Yeah, thank you.